See yourself in the future, and what does your dream day job look like?
Well, I mean, ultimately it's this. I mean, working in tooling is probably one of the best things that I could have ever done in my life. It took me close to 10 years to figure out what I actually wanted to do. When I was 18, I'd have never guessed that, you know, I was going to be a machinist and be able to provide for my family doing that. When I graduated high school, I wanted to work on cars, and that's all that I was ever going to do. So knowing that there was a future out there in machining that I had no idea was a real eye-opener. So based on what you're going to do in high school may not always be what you're going to do in a career. So always keep your eyes open, take advantage of every opportunity that you can.
I didn't go to college because I wanted more hands-on experience. I mean, I enjoy sitting down and doing some book work here and there, but I like to do more hands-on and getting more hands-on experience outside of school, less book work, actually doing things. And it was a big step for me, going from a high school class to a job shop where I didn't know as much. I'm still young, so I have a lot to learn yet, but I like teaching the newer guys that come in here and showing them what I've learned over the past few years that I've worked here. Take the opportunity, take the initiative. If you want to do it, go do it.
College is very expensive, and it's not tailored specifically for the trade you're in. There's a lot of general courses you have to take, and a lot of them don't apply specifically to the trade, where an apprenticeship program, they really have it narrowed down to what you need to know for the trade you're going into. Stable income is a big thing for me. The trade is very high demand. If you're willing to learn and you have a good attitude, you can really succeed, and it's a very good opportunity to do so.
When I did college, I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do, and I didn't know, and so I just went with the first thing that kind of popped in my mind, failed out of it, you know, started doing sales. It just didn't work because I didn't know what I wanted to do. So, but I went to a temp agency, found my way into manufacturing, and just kind of went from there. And I didn't know I wanted to do this at all. So, I mean, try new things, and if something isn't working, then move on. But I'm making some pretty cool stuff, and I'm learning a lot on the way. I don't know, why wouldn't you at least want to try it?
So, my name's Austin McKenzie. My experience in the machining field is started machining in high school, and then I went to college at a vocational trade school where it was just machining. In a career, I look for advancement. With this field, it was right for me because every day is different. Typically, we have our Taylor freezers on one end that were in the sheets, and some of the gas stations and stores you'll see those ice cream freezers, and then we go a whole way to aerospace products where jet engines, we do stuff for Rolls-Royce and Hamilton Sunstrand, and stuff like this. It requires the skill that you can learn in the apprenticeship program to really be able to understand what's going on here and how to program them and know when something's wrong or know when it's all right.